This is a little introduction on how you can use tapping as a self-help tool. Now, we always start with a setup statement in which we express the problem that we are dealing with. For this, we're going to tap on the side of our hand. We call this the karate chop point, which is between the little finger and your wrist. You use the fingers of your other hand and you just tap against the side of your hand. And then we go into the setup statement. Now, for this exercise, we're going to express feelings of stress. So you can repeat after me. Even though I feel super stressed, I honor what I'm feeling and I accept these feelings. Even though I feel so stressed, I accept myself and I know that I'm safe. Even though I'm feeling super stressed, I deeply love and accept myself. And then you start tapping through the different points with 2 fingers of one hand. It doesn't matter if you do it with your right hand or your left hand, or if you change while you are tapping, it's all the same. So we start on the inside of our eyebrow. Then you go to the outside of the eye, underneath the eye, underneath the nose, on top of the chin, underneath your collarbones. So find the little dent that you have underneath your collarbones. You can do 2 hands, you can do 1 hand. Then underneath your arm, on top of your ribs. And you move a little bit up and down to get that whole area. And the last one is on top of your head, inside of the eyebrow. I feel so stressed. Outside of the eye, I feel so overwhelmed. Underneath the eye, there's so much going on. Underneath the nose, and it's so overwhelming. On the chin, I don't know how I can cope with all of this. Underneath the collarbones, it's been such a tough year. Underneath the arm, and it's making me feel so stressed. On top of your head, I feel it in my shoulders. Now keep tapping through the points and just repeat after me. I feel it in my back. I feel it in my head, which is so full with stuff. Stuff I don't know how to deal with, because it's just too much. Too much going on. I don't even know where to start anymore. And this whole situation is stressing me out so much. I feel it everywhere in my body. And it's making me feel so exhausted. It's making me feel so uptight. And I feel the tightness everywhere in my body. In my shoulders, in my hips, in my back. And I feel it in my head. My head is overflowing with stuff. And the year has already been so stressful. I don't know how much longer I can deal with all of this. So much uncertainty. So much uncertainty in the whole world. And it's making me feel so stressed. I don't even know how to relax anymore. I don't even know how to just sit still and be with myself. There's always stuff going on. Nothing ever seems to go right. And it's making me feel exhausted. It's making me feel tired. It's making me feel stressed. It's making me feel negative and down. I don't know if I can get out of this. Maybe I can. I don't know how to get out of this. But maybe I do. But it's all so stressful. Okay, relax for a moment and take a deep breath in and out. Now tune in with what you are feeling, and whatever the issue was that you were working with, see if that issue has calmed down a little bit and if you feel more relaxed. If that isn't the case, then just continue on tapping through the points, addressing everything that comes up until you feel that you have calmed down a little bit. Don't forget to drink some water after this to just shift that negative energy out of your body.